I'm a student at Santa Clara University, and I'm also interning at Sun Microsystems in the Java.net group.
I'm Bruce Boyes, founder of the robotics community at Java.net, where we're hosting Brian's code, and I'm also developer of the trackbot platform. It's a smart platform with an autonomous nervous system, but without a brain. And we did that deliberately so that the autonomous tasks like real-time control of the motors and sensors and that sort of thing are done for you by the platform. There's a simple serial messaging API. You can use any brain you want. Here we're showing the sunspot from Sun Labs. Brian has developed code to integrate the accelerometers on the sunspot to use as a bump sensor. There's a ring of 8 sensors around the trackbot, and some code written actually by Sean Silverman, another collaborator on the trackbot sunspot project at Java.net.
So one of the interesting applications of these robots, they're being developed for educational swarm research. And the way that's going to work is that there's a ring of 8 infrared sensors around the perimeter of the robot. Each of those sensors is capable of emitting a unique ID. And when another robot is nearby, it can detect that ID and tell its position relative to the other trackbot. It's not implemented in hardware yet, but we actually have a Greenfoot simulation. Greenfoot is an IDE for kids, but it turns out it's really good for visualizing your Java program. There's also these cliff sensors under here, which is interesting because we can actually have it drive around and it'll actually detect when it gets near the edge of the table and it won't drive off.
Hopefully. So look for Swarm of Brian at Java.net or just Google that and you'll get to the project with all the code documentation.